Hey, Milo. Hey, Milo. Hey, Milo. Hey, Milo. Say hey. Say hey, Milo. Open the other side. I don't want you to.
Your side?
Yeah. Let's see if you like. Need you a blade.
I think I got it.
You got it? You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. They give you this like this. Or you want me to start up here?
Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna dub my blade, babe.
I'm what?
Dub my blade.
Oh! I see what it is. I can't open fast on no mic. I'm super excited.
We good.
It's a pocket fetal Doppler. Thanks, babe.
Right.
I love it. Thank you. I'm so excited. I always wanted one of these to see how I was Malia doing. She's going up to 134.
Yeah, hers loud. She got a good heart.
165, 158.
That's neither.
Mm-hmm.
At least she's still doing good.
Yeah. So Tay, now you know how I beg a heart where you can hear it. Sorry, ain't it?
Yeah.
I think you even pick up when she moved, because when she flip walked or whatever she did, she moved in.
That's all there is to know.
I'm moving around there in the amniotic fluid.
Is she hungry? Stomach growl.
Okay.
You tired?
Yeah. Well, we're excited we can hear the baby heartbeat at home. And we don't have to wait to go to the doctor to hear a heartbeat. I will listen to it every day.
For y'all that didn't know, this how to check the baby heartbeat.
What about you, QJ? You want to say something?
You want to say something, Boo?
What you gotta say, big bro?
Epic. He's happy. He's just ready for Paris to get here. I told my resident today. She said, "You got a baby in there?"
Why is warm?
I said, "Yes, ma'am." I said, "I'm naming her Paris." She was like, "Well," I said, "You like Paris?" And she was like, "Well, I wouldn't name my baby Paris, but it's a pretty name. I wouldn't do it." I said, "Well, her middle name's gonna be Malia." She said, "Now I love Malia."
She must have been old school.
I said, "Everybody in this Malia," but she said, "I love Malia."
There you go.
Thank you.
You don't worry about QJ?
You gonna wave bye? Hi. These are my two boys. QJ, Quintavious,
The youngest.
Jack boy. Come on over here. Jack boy, my oldest, 18. and 11, 2 boys. I prayed for a girl and finally got her, and I thank God. And they gonna be the big brothers and protect her.
At least I'm not the youngest one.
And QJ said at least he's not the youngest one anymore.